The man who first said it's better to give than receive probably wanted something. But in today's video, it's the opposite. Hello, thanks for tuning in, guys. Today's video is a summary of a month-long eBay mini flip charity challenge. This challenge was proposed by Nate of Nate's Miniatures and completed by several other talented YouTubers. The collaborators on this challenge are a really great group of folks, and I hope you'll consider giving their channels a view. I've got them all linked down in the description below. The basis of this challenge was to purchase a model on eBay for as cheaply as possible, paint that model, and then put it back on eBay and try to sell it for a profit. I mixed this up just a little bit and decided to donate 100% of my proceeds of the auction to a charity called Guide Dogs for the Blind. Can you imagine going through life without your sight? Heck, I've got pretty good vision and I can never even find my wallet. Guide Dogs for the Blind offers a variety of services for our visually impaired friends at zero cost to them. They also receive no government funding. So hopefully by the end of this video, maybe you'll consider supporting them as well. The model I wound up purchasing was Brother Aramis from the Blood Angels chapter. I purchased this model for around $9 shipped to my door. This is a really cool character model with a custom base, character card, a little backstory, and an easy fit assembly. After painting this guy up, posted him on eBay and waited anxiously for 7 days. If you're interested in the painting process, please check out my full how-to vid linked above, as well as in the description below. The winner of this auction and real hero of the story is a man from the West Coast called Eric Morgan. He generously bid around $30 for a model that he could have very well purchased and painted himself. What's really cool is that his wife has also worked professionally with the visually impaired. Now I know he probably won't play this model on the table, but hopefully it's a nice little addition to his display case. Thanks very much, Eric. The important part of this video is not that I was able to churn up a little money for charity, but to demonstrate that with a little effort we can turn our fun hobby into a great outlet for those in need. Sure, $30 won't change the world, but if we all pitch in a little bit, we can make a big difference. So, as my challenge to you, try turning something that you enjoy or that you're good at into something that could help maybe somebody in need. That's all for this week, folks. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you. If you're not already, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. It would really help me out a lot. Remember to be kind to one another, and we'll catch you next time.